Good morning, guys. First of all, we want to thank you for your patience and understanding as the OLS is currently down. We've received lots of emails asking what students are supposed to be doing. Please refer to that emergency plan. Some students are able to get into the OLS, others are not. So we want to make sure that we're following that emergency plan because we cannot guarantee that the work in the OLS that your child is currently working on will be saved. So if your child has math, for example, today, complete anything for the math emergency plan. We've also received several emails regarding how to clear cache and cookies on your computer. If you are using Google Chrome, which is your recommended browser, you will go to the far right-hand side of the browser and there are three dots. Go ahead and click on that and you will scroll down to settings. Once you are in your settings, you will scroll all the way down to privacy and security. Here you will find where it says clear browsing data. Click on clear browsing data and you want to make sure that you're clearing your browsing history, cookies and other site data as well as cached images and files. So make sure these three boxes are checked. Then you will hit clear data. That will clear your cache and cookies. Thank you so much.